Hello, check mic test. Okay, I am recording for the people who are absent. We are downloading Ubuntu, and we are not downloading Ubuntu because it's too big, 3 gigabytes. Ubuntu server is 3 gigabytes. It used to be only 160 megabytes. So we are instead downloading Debian 13.5 NetInts, which is about 600 or 700 megabytes only, and takes about 12 minutes to download in the lab. And then what we are planning to do is to, of course, create a new VM. We'll call it Win VM1. And we are going to put the ISO here, but it's not yet downloaded, so we will wait for 1 minute. So the number one is just make a database that the database table name is your first name. It is a database of friends, so you can add, edit, delete, those basic things that you already supposed to know from other classes. This is the first requirement. 41 seconds left. Oh, with API too, with API. So we are in number one, we are exposing our API where you can just type in the URL some string and slash some ID number or question mark ID equals some ID number, and it's supposed to show you the data. So in integration, we're supposed to learn how to share data and also how to fetch data from other servers to integrate with them. Okay, it says done. Now let's select an ISO here. Paano? Paano mag-select ng ISO? Other. Downloads. Debian. Aha. And let's see if it actually installs. VBox user. Let's give it more CPUs. 4 CPUs. Memory. Let's give it 8 gig. Okay. What happened? Last name, Win server. Oh, may gumagamit na pala ng Oracle dito. So let's start this and see what will happen. Ayaw mag-start. Muna sa kabila. Yun. Our computer is booting. This is the installation. Oops. Graphical installer. I think we should not use the installer. What happens if graphical installer? Oh, graphical nga. So we're going to install Debian. By the way, may exam pa dito. May exam pala dito klase. I'm going Pare, so that it will be fast for you to download, to download the Debian. I'm going to share it in, saan ba nakalagay yung exam class? Sa dito. Local htdocs. Win-win, ito. So, what is my IP address? 14.10. So you should be able, if you want to quickly download the ISO, you can just type in your computer 192.168.14.10/win-win/. You see it, class? Debian, ito. So in here, just here in the lab, yeah. Here in the lab, you can please type this URL. Maliit pala. Notepad. Please type this URL and click Debian to download it quickly. It's a file. You type it in the browser, of course. Type this URL in the browser. It should look like this. Click the Debian and get it without the waiting 12 minutes. Okay. Ilagay natin siya dito para kita nyo. Then, yan. So you type this in your browser and you click Debian to get the file very quickly. But ayaw mag-save. Ayan, keep very fast. Of course, I mean, is this the same computer? So where is my setup? Okay, Debian. Ayaw? Ano daw? Can't be reach yung computer ko? Really? Let's see. Hindi niyo mapping ang 14.10? Baka may proxy. Baka check nyo yung proxy. Proxy. Automatically detect setting. Use proxy server. Use proxy script. Subukan nga i-off yung proxy. Is there curl in Windows? Let's see. Curl. Oh, you make curls of Windows. So what you can do, class, I can copy the URL and type curl paste. Aha. Curl. Capital O. Yod. Okay, class. This is how you download quickly the ISO. Haba lang ita-type nyo. Yes, sir. Subukan nyo i-type sa CMD. Ganito, sa CMD. Actually, mas madaling i-set yung proxy sa hindi eh. I-off mo yung proxy. Tapos, i-download mo yung ano. I-download mo yung URL. Tapos, i-on mo na lang ulit yung proxy pagkatapos. Gumana? Alin ang gumana? O pareho hindi gumana? Or you are downloading from the internet? Is there anybody trying this? Who wants to download? Who wants to try to download the ISO very quickly? Can you turn off your proxy? Press window key, type proxy, press enter, turn off proxy, go back to your browser, and type 192.168.10.14.10. Does it show XAMPP? Nobody follow? Okay. Ulit. Okay, I press window key. Window key. Is anybody following me? You need to experiment. And then type proxy. O hindi nyo ma-access yung proxy nyo. Turn off proxy setting. And then go back to browser, type 192.168.14.10. Ano sabi? Enter nga. Enter mo. Baka ako yung may problema. I-off ko yung firewall ko. Firewall. How do you turn off firewall? Check firewall status. I-off natin yung firewall nito. Turn off. Paulit nga yung 192.168.14.10. Pa-reload. Pa-off na yan. Firewall. Naka-off. O yan o, off. Ayaw pa rin. Yun. Sorry. Yung firewall ko pala naka-on. Okay. So, my firewall was on. I turned off my firewall. Now you can download. The URL is this one. This is the URL. You type /winwin and then you download Debian. Sa dulo, lagyan nyo ng /winwin. Enter. Sige. 192.1. Yan, tapos click mo yung Debian. Yan. Oh, di ba tapos na? Tapos na ba talaga? Pipindutin pa pala. Oo nga. So, when you click Debian, it will say keep. And click keep. And then it will download 755 megabytes in a few seconds instead of 12 minutes. Okay. Ano daw? Ano? Yung Debian ito, Debian. D-E-B-I-A-N. You got it? Huh? Yes, you got it? You have VirtualBox already? VirtualBox like this. Oracle VirtualBox. Of course. Domain name. What is domain name? I don't have domain name. Root password. Ano na? Saan? No, you're going to run Oracle VirtualBox? Meron ba? Naka-install? And then you create a new plus. And then you name it your name. And then wow, I'm setting up Debian 13. What happened? When you make a new virtual machine, you attach the ISO as the ISO boot. Itutin mo sa dulo yan. Sige nga. Hindi mo ba nakikita yung VirtualBox dyan na ISO? Yung sa download? Yung ka-download mo lang? Yeah, you can use other virtual machine. Sa other mo nga. Tapos i-browse mo doon sa downloads mo. Yes, sir. Sige, next mo. Okay, off mo yung ano yung just experiment, my friends. Everybody doesn't know what they're doing. Okay, let's guide the entire disk. Okay. Okay, just click all the okay that you find. Right, yes. Hindi ba finish? Pura na? Hindi piliin niyo Pilipinas? Yun mo. Tayo mo na. Nag-boot na yan. Puro country? Just Philippines. If you want to... I use graphic install. Philippines. Walang Philippines ah. Walang Philippines. Ano ito? Mirror. Sige. Ano pinakamalapit sa Philippines? China. India. Hong Kong. Sige, Hong Kong na lang. It's asking for proxy, download. So what happened, my friend? Let me just continue and find out if what I'm doing is correct, and then you can watch the video later, okay? Okay, you can watch na lang. Why is this select and install software? Oh, ariko. Debian desktop genome. I'm just going to select SSH and continue. We have 1 more minute. Nako, time na. Let's see if we can set this up in 1 minute. Looks like we're going to finish quickly. Whatever. Okay, installing. We are done. Finished the installation. Finishing the installation. Okay, at least now we were able to install a virtual machine. And let's try if it will reboot. Okay. Let's see, it's rebooting. Our computer is rebooting. Okay, enter, and what happened? Debian. Yes, sir. Looks like it's booting. Ha 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 ha. Username? Okay. We are logged into our system. We have set up Linux computer in a few minutes. Okay, we will continue next meeting, and I will upload this. The proper way to set this up. The proper way to shut down is to init 0. So I'm going to save this recording and post this in the class so you can follow next meeting, okay?